Hey everybody, we are on Royal Caribbean Mariner of the Seas. We're going to do a room tour of 6620 Ocean View Balcony. This is what I like about this. This is a very convenient location. I'm going to step back here. Let me show you where this is real quick in relation to the midship elevators. Or the stairs. You come off the elevator, it's on the port side, and the room is right there. How convenient is that? I've had this before and no worries about the noise, not a big deal. It's not in the elevator lobby. So you come in, you see it's a triple couch, double, anyway, good size. It's the superior balcony. Standard workstation here, TV, standard closet, standard bathroom. You don't bang your head on the sink when you sit on the toilet, so it's got a little more room there. And lots of shelves. In the closet, there's shelves, drawers, got the fridge here. You got the safe. These are nice shelves, I like that. Some cabins don't have that shelf. They just have like a little glass, one little shelf. And then you got your balcony with 2 chairs and a little bistro table. So that's pretty much it. This is a spacious Ocean View Balcony 6620 on Mariner of the Seas. Hope you liked it.